You hear a lot about maintaining a clean core with SAP S/4HANA. At the same time, many organizations still wait months to deliver what should be relatively simple SAP applications: a mobile approval, a warehouse dashboard, a maintenance inspection. It feels like those two goals are constantly competing with each other. This is Neptune Talks, where we share short insights on SAP execution and innovation. Today, we're exploring why SAP application development is often more complex than it needs to be, and how organizations can accelerate delivery without compromising their clean core strategy.
And that's the frustration the business often sees. They ask for what sounds like a straightforward application, then months later, it's still in development. From their perspective, it feels like modernizing SAP is far harder than it should be.
Exactly. Before we go further, it's worth explaining what clean core actually means. It's about keeping your SAP S/4HANA system as close to standard as possible by avoiding unnecessary custom code inside the ERP core. That makes upgrades easier, reduces long-term maintenance, and allows organizations to adopt SAP innovations much more quickly.
Which creates an interesting challenge. The business still expects new applications, better user experiences, and faster delivery. So how do you modernize without filling your ERP with custom developments?
That's exactly where much of today's complexity comes from. Traditional SAP application development often requires developers to spend significant time connecting front-end technologies with back-end business logic. The business logic already exists inside SAP. The real challenge is exposing it through modern applications quickly and efficiently.
And that's where projects often slow down. Developers aren't necessarily creating new business processes. They're rebuilding interfaces, wiring together technologies, and solving the same technical problems again and again.
Exactly. The opportunity is to reuse what's already there. Instead of recreating business logic, organizations can build modern Fiori applications on top of existing SAP capabilities, dramatically reducing development effort.
So it's really about removing unnecessary work rather than replacing development altogether.
Precisely. That's where a unified development platform becomes valuable. Instead of jumping between different tools and frameworks, developers can build interfaces, reuse SAP services, and focus on solving business problems rather than infrastructure challenges.
Some people hear terms like low code or drag and drop and immediately assume those platforms are only suitable for simple applications.
It's a common misconception. Low-code isn't about limiting developers, it's about eliminating repetitive work. Developers still use technologies like ABAP, SAP UI5, and JavaScript whenever more advanced capabilities are required. The platform simply accelerates everything around them.
So developer productivity improves because they're spending more time creating business value and less time building the plumbing.
Exactly, and that has a direct impact on the business. Instead of waiting months for an application, teams begin seeing value much sooner.
User experience is another piece of the puzzle. Even the best SAP application won't deliver value if employees don't enjoy using it.
Absolutely. Modern applications need to work consistently across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices while following SAP Fiori design principles. A responsive, familiar experience encourages adoption and reduces training requirements.
Which really reinforces an important point. Back-end integration and front-end simplicity aren't competing priorities. They're both essential if organizations want applications people actually use.
Exactly. One without the other rarely delivers lasting business value. Strong integration gives the application its power. Great user experience ensures people actually adopt it.
When you step back, this isn't really a conversation about Fiori at all. It's a conversation about reducing unnecessary complexity across the entire application lifecycle.
That's exactly it. The business receives applications faster, developers spend less time solving repetitive technical challenges, and organizations continue modernizing SAP while maintaining a clean core.
So the key takeaway is simple. Accelerating SAP application development isn't about writing code faster. It's about removing unnecessary complexity, reusing the capabilities SAP already provides, and giving developers the right platform to deliver business value sooner.
Exactly. Modern SAP applications shouldn't take months to build.
Thanks, and thank you to the viewers for listening. If you'd like to explore more, visit neptunesoftware.com. And if you want more short insights on SAP, AI, and enterprise innovation, follow Neptune Talks.